Communication.
Communication.
It's an irrevocable part of what it means to be human.
But what is it? Where does it come from?
In the flurry of messages constantly swarming around us, how do some succeed and others fail? What does it mean to have a voice, or to represent something, or to listen?
For those who want to be heard, eloquence and empathy go much further than a loud voice.
Communication is always a gamble. This modern-day spawn culture is both prolific and amorphous, neatly encapsulated in a term which has migrated from biology textbooks to present-day internet speak: viral.
Facebook, Twitter, Google. These are the virtual hangout joints for this sort of terminology and its reference.
21st century media is shot through with the virtues of brevity, snappiness, and succinctness, not to mention irony. Behind all this, of course, the old triptych pulls the strings, the perceived tastes of a target audience, advertisers, and editorial demands. Enter a new character in the drama, the citizen journalist. This recent invention has been met with one of two receptions: either praise for prodding the weak points of dictatorships via tweet and like buttons, or disdain for producing opinion masquerading as fact. Drowning in the murky swell of social media, the discerning reader's critical faculties find themselves overstretched. Hoaxes are easy and people are lazy.
At the Typewriter, we aim to promote global awareness and global citizenship, at home and abroad. As a tool for real communication, we hope to change the media landscape by providing articles which are only written from the local perspective to a global readership. The Typewriter is based on individuals telling their own stories themselves. So we invite interested people to submit articles to the Typewriter, hoping to provide our readers with a voice that is genuine and a new perspective.
As a writer, whenever you feel like you have an opinion or a story to share, you can log on to our site and submit your article. After some basic fact-checking, editing and polishing, we will publish your work to our global readership of 4 million worldwide. Unlike citizen journalism, by fact-checking and editing your article, your opinion will not be reduced to an ill-informed and sensationalist rant, and it will be read by those who care and those who matter.
We promise to provide you with opinion which is genuine and overlooked. We promise to provide you with articles which will further our constructive debate. We promise to cut through all the noise and provide you with quality articles whilst maintaining the voice of the writer.
We are against misinformation and the misrepresentation of facts and genuine opinion in both old and new media. By telling our stories from the local perspective, we build this genuine connection between the writer and our readers. And by creating this bond between people across continents and oceans, perhaps we can understand each other a little bit more, realize each other's differences, and respect them. We also do sincerely hope that, in this day and age of overflooding of pop culture and a gradual disappearance of well-informed and intellectual debates, we as the youth of the world can stand up and tell people that yes, we do care, and yes, we will act.
So today, as we celebrate the World Press Freedom Day, we invite you to be part of the conversation. As we commence our third year of operations, we look back at the articles written and published. We dare say that the more articles we read about the world, the more we realize how little we actually know about the world. Reading opinion articles from people's local perspective makes us more humble and more willing to reach out.
So hesitate no more. Tell us your story and read ours. Global citizenship starts with you.